Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is going to be about how I shape and fill my eyebrows. Now I'm going to start off by using the Morphe Brow Gel in the shade Java. Next I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. Now the brushes I'm going to be using in this video are going to be an angled brush and a brow brush. I usually like doing this first because I get to control the arch of the brow. A lot of people like doing the opposite. I like to do the full brow or just the top. Next thing I'm going to be doing is using the angled brush from Morphe as well, and just work my way towards the back of the brow. Then what I also like to do is just clean off like any extra brow gel right above it. Also kind of helps clean out that brow. I know a lot of people like to use concealer. I'm going more for a natural finish look, you would say. But something else I would like to just throw in there real quick is that brow gels can be a bit more pigmented. So if you don't like that very bold brow, you can always use an eyeshadow. I like to use like a deep brown eyeshadow because I have a beard, so I like to balance that out. If you don't want that bold look, because brow gels can give you that heavier finish. The next thing I'm going to be doing is blending out that concealer. Just gonna blend it down and then use my finger just to blend that out to give it that natural finish. And then I do like to leave a little bit on the beginning of the brow just to give it that ombre finish. Then after that, I just use my brow brush just to gently blend everything in and give it a better finish. And this is how it looks. It's very simple. A few simple steps. This is how I prefer doing my eyebrows. And it's a different way others can use it too. If you want to try something new, this is definitely a good little routine. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button also to get notified when I post. And feel free to follow me on my Instagram for more makeup looks. Thank you. Have a nice day. Or good night. Or good morning. Wherever you are. Whatever time you're watching. Alright. Bye y'all.